What's up, fam? Welcome to the MARLONated Mindstate. I am your host, Marlon C. And today we are reacting to a viral video from the channel Uncovered entitled Brat Attacks Police for Taking Her Phone. Now, before we hit play, let's establish a few ground rules. I am not a lawyer. This is absolutely not legal advice. We are analyzing this footage strictly for educational purposes and social commentary, which is fully protected under the doctrine of fair use. Now, this case involves an 18-year-old college student by the name of Taylor, an active fire investigation, and a massive clash over constitutional rights. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I drop a video, you will be the first to know about it. Let's hit it.
On February 9th, officers attempted to confiscate a college student's phone as part of an active investigation. But when confronted in the lobby, she completely melts down.
All right. Who are you on the phone with? So we're going to have to seize your phone. So go ahead and hang up.
Seize my phone for what?
Go ahead and hang up.
Why?
Go ahead and hang up.
They want to seize my phone, but I'm not under arrest for anything.
You're not under arrest, but your phone's going to be seized.
No.
You're gonna hang up the phone.
So right off the gate, we are in deep constitutional territory. The officer tells her, "You are not under arrest, but your phone is going to be seized." Taylor immediately pushes back, stating she isn't in custody, so they cannot take her property. Let me ask you guys real quick. Do you think the police can just take your phone without a warrant if you aren't under arrest? Let me know in the comments right now, yes or no. Now, the legal reality comes down to the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Normally, police need a warrant to seize your property. However, there is a major exception called exigent circumstances, or the imminent destruction of evidence. If police believe that vital evidence of a crime, like arson or a fire investigation, is on a phone and could be remotely wiped or deleted, if they let the person leave with the phone, they are legally allowed to temporarily seize the phone to preserve the evidence while they go apply for a warrant. But remember, they can't search the contents of the phone until the warrant is signed. Let's continue.
Seize my phone, but I'm not in custody.
So listen.
There's three of them all around me.
So listen.
FaceTime you for a second.
You listen for a second. So the fire is going to be under investigation.
That's fine.
Okay, and we're going to seize your phone.
Why?
Because the fire is under investigation.
I need to know.
So you can hand me the phone.
Try to burn our own house.
But I need to know what my phone's being. They're not telling me a reason why my phone's.
I just did.
But you said it's under investigation, which I.
So listen to me. The fire.
That's her phone?
So the fire is going to be under investigation and your phone's going to be seized.
Is Shay?
Yes, everybody's phone's being seized.
Oh no, because you never told me that my phone would be seized when I got here. She didn't tell me that.
Okay, and when I got here, the detective wasn't here. We were waiting for the detective, so the detective's going to seize your phone.
No one told me any. You told me that you were about to take me home.
Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. So you can hang up. You can hang up the phone, and I can take you home. Yep.
So,
maybe she didn't know that she had the phone or be on the phone. Once she saw the phone and the girl was using, she probably said, "Hey, I need that phone." Like you said, just in case she tried to erase some evidence.
No, they're not taking my phone and letting me leave. I don't know what I'm finna. It's 4 a.m. I can't go without my phone.
Well, how is she gonna go?
Right, where am I gonna go without my phone? If I do the interview,
that's up to you.
Well, if I do the interview,
you can go do the interview, but your phone's going to currently be seized.
Can I talk to him first? Can he come down here?
Nope, we're not going to do that. So you can hang up the phone, or I'm going to take the phone. That's how this is going to work.
Oh, absolutely not.
So
she said, hang up the phone, and they're going to take the phone because at this point, I'm being threatened.
It's not a threat. I've asked you several times, and you're just going to go back and forth with me.
A reason as to why my phone is being taken.
So the fire is going to be under investigation by the fire department. So stop. Don't interrupt me. So don't interrupt me. The fire is going to be under investigation.
Don't ever tell me not to interrupt you, and I've been this calm.
So the phone's going to be seized. So in a second, I'm going to take it.
I'm asking you.
I know this is not going to turn out right. We've talked about this many a times. This is not how you react to the police.
We're being rebuttal. I'm asking you a reason.
So if you would like to talk to the detective, you can.
Why is my phone being seized?
If you would like to talk to the detective that is seizing it, you can. Do you wish to talk to him?
Yeah, but
do you want to give an interview?
No, I wanted to ask him why my phone's being seized because she said she could take me home, but without my phone, that doesn't make sense. It sounds like that.
So are you going to talk to the detective?
No, I need everyone to come and tell me why my phone's being seized because no one told me this until right now.
So
because it seems like
that the question. No, it
seems like he's being petty because he woke up and I won't do the interview.
So the question is, are you going to talk to the detective?
As a matter of fact, are you recording this?
Are you going to talk to the detective and provide an interview? Yes or no?
Is that with or without the phone?
Without the phone. The phone's being seized. Are you talking to the detective or no? I don't know. That's not my question.
I need an answer to that before.
So the question is, are you going to provide an interview?
No.
No? Okay. Go ahead and hand me the phone.
I have to know if my phone is being seized.
Go ahead and hand me the phone.
Don't kick.
Do not kick. Okay, push your legs out. Stop. Relax.
Tight.
Relax.
Mom, I'm not letting go. I promise.
Relax.
Mom, I'm not letting go. I promise.
We just want your phone. That's
She
what
said, "Mom, I'm not letting go. I promise." So you got your mama on the other line or on the phone giving you bad advice. We've seen this happen before with another young lady who did a video not too long ago, listening to her dad and her mama on the phone while she getting detained, and then come to find out that they think she had some kind of, I don't know, she had weed in the car and stuff like that. But her mom and dad was giving her wrong advice, and she ended up getting pulled out of a car, put in a paddy wagon. Man, parents need to shut up.
They're trying to give me.
And why the heck your mama didn't go with you to go talk to the detective in the first place? I'm confused.
Taylor,
Okay.
no.
Mom, I'm not letting go. I
Relax.
promise.
We just want your phone. That's
We just want your phone.
They're trying to give me with no protection.
Taylor, no.
Stop kicking.
Stop kicking. Hey, Taylor, give me your hand. Give me your
Come
hand.
on.
Give
Taylor.
me your hand. Give me your hand.
Taylor,
Turn her to that way.
That's so
this
strong.
way toward me.
Give me.
Roll.
Give me your hand, Taylor.
Which way we roll?
Give me your hand. I almost.
I'm going to keep doing the pressure point until you let go. Let go.
Got this hand.
Release your hand.
Release your other hand. Release your other hand, Taylor.
I got her elbow out.
Pressure.
Right here. I got her wrist.
Got this. Who has cuffs? Cuffs.
Okay, you can let go.
Watch out, Montgomery. Relax.
I got it right.
Oh my God, y'all put me in cuffs now. No, I'm not under arrest.
Relax your arm, Taylor.
Are under arrest.
You're under arrest. Relax.
Now she's under arrest. Now, things just escalated from a civil rights issue into a physical brawl. During the struggle, officers used pressure points to force her to release her grip, and she ends up pinned down on the floor in handcuffs. Now, later on, Taylor argues that she only kicked them because she was manhandling her and she was trying to defend herself because she felt she was in harm's way. Now, what do you think? If you believe the police are executing an unlawful seizure of her property, do she have the legal right to physically fight back? Drop a comment below. Now, legally, the answer in almost every single state is a resounding no. You cannot physically resist a police officer, even if you believe their search or seizure is completely illegal. The proper place to fight an illegal seizure is in the courtroom via a motion to suppress evidence, not on the floor of a police station lobby. The moment you kick an officer in the head, your original argument about the phone flies right out the window, and you are looking at serious felony charges. Now, recently I was on the jury pool, didn't get picked, but I think we dealt with a case kind of similar to like this with it's called like an unlawful arrest. And the question was what constitutes an unlawful arrest? And it could be that the arrest initially was legal, but then if the police start using excessive force that could be believed to be not reasonable, then that arrest becomes unlawful. But yet it doesn't negate the original crime of her resisting or not wanting to hand over her phone. So like I said, once I said 1,000 times, everybody, you need to understand the laws. And this is why we do these videos, so we can try to explain it to you.
Release the hand.
You know what a second there? No.
Oh my God, I'm filing the case as soon as I get off this floor.
Let me move this.
You all have no right. I came down here willingly because you're a black
All right,
woman.
get up.
Okay.
Hold on.
I want you to think
Hold
about
on,
how you're
hold
doing another black woman.
Okay.
Where you go to
Relax. Relax.
Another
You
black
just put me
woman
in handcuffs and I came down here willingly.
during Black
Can you
History
look at
Month.
your phone
Uh-oh.
lock?
Hold on, let me
I
tighten them up.
came
We've heard
down
this
here
before.
willingly. Get off of me.
Stay down.
Nope.
Stay
Relax.
Down. Stay down.
Get me off the floor.
Relax.
Stay down.
Why am I on the floor?
All right, Taylor. Okay, we're gonna roll this
Why
way.
are
Ready?
you pinning me on the floor?
We're gonna get you up. Relax. Relax.
Stand me up like I'm a fucking human.
We're going left. We're going my way.
I swear to God, if this is
Roll
not
my
the
way.
court,
We're going your
Roll
way.
my way. All right, stand up. Go to your knees, Taylor.
Y'all just okay with this, all of y'all. And you a black woman. You are a black African American woman.
Black History Month.
Property.
Where's the phone at?
You're black.
All right, we're going this way.
They're white. I expect it from them.
All right.
You're black, dude.
Okay, you also kicked me in the head, so
You also, I came down here willingly because I trusted you. And look at what you're doing.
Are you willing to provide a statement or no?
What does that mean?
Are you going to talk to me if we go back there or not?
You are forcing me to.
I'm asking you if you're going to.
But you're forcing me to.
I can't force you to talk.
You're taking my items.
I'm seizing this for now. Yes.
What does that
Do
mean?
you want to provide a statement?
My detective, I need to talk to her. I need an
Fine.
attorney present.
You can. Okay.
I need a lawyer.
You can take her to jail.
all right.
Take me to
Where's
jail.
her property?
Whatever charges you guys have.
You have resisting and aggravated battery of a police officer.
Oh my God. Okay, I'll do the interview.
You still have the charges.
I did not aggravate you. You
You kicked
assaulted me.
Okay, so relax.
You assaulted me. I'm 18 years old and you assaulted me. Of course I'm aggravated. I wasn't resisting arrest. You didn't say that I was under arrest.
Yours? Is this the back to your earring?
Are you arrested? Are you putting something on my record?
You're being arrested. I asked you. So listen. I asked you to provide your phone and you refused. Okay. When you were.
But you didn't give me
Nope.
a reason.
So, nope. I said your phone was being seized.
You
said,
never gave
stop,
me the
stop.
reason.
Don't interrupt me. I said your phone was being seized.
I asked you the
I gave you
reason.
several times
I
to hand it to
trusted
me.
you. That's why I
You did not
came.
hand me your phone. Okay. Then we took your phone.
I came here
You kicked several
willingly.
officers. You're going to jail.
I kicked you out because you all were manhandling me. I couldn't move. I was
We don't
scared.
really kick police officers, but
I was scared. Hello, you would do the same thing.
Cuffs still be double locked if they weren't double locked back.
they weren't. Go ahead and double lock them.
Y'all have to understand that law enforcement usually don't give details when it comes to an active investigation. They don't want to put too much out there because, well, if they put too much out there, let's say evidence can be lost, suspects can flee. You understand what I'm saying? So they won't say a whole lot, even in the court of law, like I was telling you about this jury summons I got. Even the lawyers can't tell you too much about what's going on in the trial until the trial starts. So understand that. So really, law enforcement aren't going to tell you everything up front, although you want to know, because they know people try to, like I say, get the information and use it to help their own case and can mess up the investigation.
Fuck them, I can't move. Are you guys serious right now? How are you gonna do this to me? I'm like, bro, I just got out of high school and you all are scaring me.
Do you want me to transport her?
Do you mind?
Or Kazi,
Who am I talking to?
I'm just doing paper, but
I'm not busy. I'm
Yes,
You do.
yes.
Okay. It's not going to affect any charges they have on you.
Okay, then just, what is happening right now? I came down here because I thought I was doing an interview. Why am I in
Oh,
cuffs?
I'd like to still interview you. That's not.
But why am I in cuffs? I'm scared. Why are you all touching me? Why is my stuff being seized? You told me I was coming here for an interview. I came here under false pretenses.
Taylor brings up an incredibly sophisticated legal point here. She says she came to the station completely voluntarily because she trusted them to do an interview. But once she decided she was too tired to talk and wanted to go home, they sprang the phone seizure on her. She claims this was false pretense. Now, legally, does police deception invalidate a seizure? Generally, no. Police are allowed to use a certain amount of trickery or invite you in for a consensual encounter. However, the moment she withdrew her consent to interview and decided to leave, her status changed from a voluntary citizen to someone whose property was actively being detained under law enforcement authority. It's a harsh lesson in how quickly a voluntary chat can transform into a legal trap.
That is the case itself.
Do you want to go back and talk or not?
There will be 3 cases filed in the morning, I promise you.
Yes or no? You want to go?
Let's go. Let's go to the cage jail, wherever we're going. I need to make a call. I get 1 call, I know that much.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm parking this way. If you want to
Okay.
I get 1 call, I know that much.
Have 2 people go.
Do you want to go with him? Do you have something or no?
I just.
Do you have any charges for this?
No. You're resisting aggravated battery.
I resisted because you gave me no reason. You cannot search me or take my items with giving me no reason.
You admitting that you had resisted regardless of the reason. You said you wanted a lawyer. She shouldn't have said another word after that.
So that you have a case for. And it wasn't aggravated assault. It's called defending myself when I feel that I'm in harm's way. And that's the situation that you put me in because I thought I was coming for an interview. And now I'm in handcuffs without a phone.
I patted her down. I'll search her right now.
Why would you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you.
You did lie to me.
I did not lie to you.
Time. You told me he was here when we got here. You told me I was doing an interview and you would take me home. Why are you treating me like I'm a criminal? There was a fire at my house.
Correct. And that's what you were here for the interview. You said,
Yes.
So stop yelling, okay? I'm going to talk to you. You said you were here for an interview.
Right.
Our detectives come in from Bloomington. I don't know how long it takes them to get here. I
wasn't mad at you. I told you that.
I know that. You said you didn't no longer want to do that interview, right?
No, because I'm tired. I said I won't be of much help right now.
Correct. So that's why you went to the lobby. I was going to take you home.
Right.
At that point, the officer wanted your phone seized.
You didn't say that. You said he wanted my phone confiscated. You didn't give me that specific reason, ma'am.
Because you were yelling at me for about 5 minutes. So
because I wasn't understanding, and I'm asking you the same question. I asked you the same question multiple times, and you did not answer me.
Put your knees in.
You didn't answer me one time. That doesn't matter to you when I'm sitting here talking to you.
I tried to talk to you and reason with you.
You weren't reasoning with me.
And you were just
You
yelling.
were just telling me, and I'm asking you questions like a human being. And you're smiling. This is funny to
Look
you.
at it. They put you in the front seat.
Okay, Taylor. Step out for me. I'm going to grab it. Yep, I'm going to grab it.
The suspect was charged with 2 counts of aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer. Following the incident, she filed a federal lawsuit against Normal Police alleging excessive force. The case remains ongoing, with the next hearing scheduled for August of this year.
Let's look at this right quick. Okay, those are so count has reviewed. So let's look at this real quick. See, this is a federal, it's a civil lawsuit she has for December 19, 2025. The court has reviewed the party's most recent 42 joint status report. The court sets a further status report deadline 4/24/2026. Okay, it's enter status report by joint. It just says text order. The court has reviewed the party's most recent. Court says a further status deadline. So it looks like they keep pushing it back. Is what it looks like. And they will do. Tell you something about when you soon the government, soon the police, shoot, they got the money, they got the time, they can wait you out. And hopefully to the point to where you want to settle and they give you taxpayers' money and things just end on that note. But let's look at the legal aftermath. Taylor was charged with 2 counts of aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer. But here's the massive twist. She has actually filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the Normal Police Department alleging excessive force. The case is actively going with a hearing scheduled for August of this year. This is why Bodycam analysis is so fascinating. While her resistance to the phone seizure may have been unlawful, the federal court will have to decide if the officer's physical tactics and force on the floor were proportional to the threat she posed. Now tell me what's your verdict. Did the police cross the line into excessive force, or did Taylor completely bring this on herself by refusing a lawful evidence? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those 4 things cost you maybe a couple of minutes out of your day, but it means the world to us here at this channel. And with that being said, I leave you in peace and love, and I'll see you on the other side.